Ram Narayan Ram. Just think, if a person abandons their true essence, will their body hold any existence? Our body itself is our real essence. The five elements that form our body are everything. Beyond these, no other essence can exist. This fundamental essence is what our body is built upon. Our entire being is made of this essence. The earth is one, and the sky is one. Hence, we must also let go of ownership and unite as one. Everyone must come together, rising above the politics of caste and religion. Society has divided the earth into many fragments in the name of caste and religion. If this continues, it won't take long for the whole world to turn into enemies of one another. The time has come to eliminate these divisions and create a society that is equal, secular, and progressive. This can only be achieved if we listen to our conscience, connect with nature, and regularly chant Ram Narayan Ram. Nature is the greatest essence, and every individual needs to understand this. All humans are born as equals on this earth. Yet, humans have created countless religions, dividing people from one another. Under the shackles of religion, people only look out for their selfish interests. But our Mahaguru Balak Brahmachari ji teaches that the greatest essence is the sky, from which everything in this universe has originated. The greatest scripture is Ram Narayan Ram, and every page of this scripture is the stars, planets, and celestial bodies spread across the cosmos. The 8 billion people on this earth are all formed from this scripture, Ram Narayan Ram, which is composed of the 5 elements. These very 5 elements give us energy and wisdom. This wisdom is what teaches us the true meaning of life. To all the protectors and lovers of religion, we ask one question: if their man-made religions are so unique and powerful, why are their children not born with the voice of their specific religion? When all children are born, they cry in the same way, regardless of their religion. Similarly, when people leave this world, they do so with one common sound, not with a distinct sound from their individual religions. The cries of pain from people of all religions sound the same. We fail to reflect on the vast cosmos, on the eternal sky, and why it exists. The sky is eternal, uncreated, and has existed since time immemorial. No one can create the sky; it was, is, and will always be. The sky itself is God, Allah, the Almighty. The sky is everything and omnipotent. It is not man-made. From the sky came nature, and from nature we were formed. It is through this energy that our mind, intellect, and wisdom were created. This wisdom and awareness guide us to live life the right way. They warn us when we are about to do something wrong. Our mind and wisdom not only help us distinguish between right and wrong but also contribute to our holistic development. Humans never stop to think about what truly belongs to them. What have they brought with them? Whatever they have received comes from space, the sky, and nature. What do they truly own that they claim or show entitlement over? Nature has given us everything. But does it ever ask for anything in return? The sun, moon, sky, and all celestial bodies give us so much, yet they never demand anything back. Nature only knows how to give and never takes anything in return. Nature is the ultimate deity. If you want to deeply understand nature, connect immediately with Ram Narayan Ram. This is the seed mantra that, when embraced, will alleviate all your pain, suffering, and hardships. Don't delay. Take a step today toward transforming your life. Ram Narayan Ram.